They believe that I have leukemia. I'm taking medication for leukemia. That's what they believe. And I'm going to leave it at that.
It worries me that somebody might be afraid of me, the neighbor or a casual friend or somebody. So for that reason, I prefer to not advertise my status.
One patient who at Thanksgiving, when she went to the family dinner, she was served on a paper plate and plastic knife and fork.
I had a priest tell me that HIV is God's way of punishing the gays.
I'm constantly surprised and baffled and sometimes angered that we have so many hurdles and so many obstacles and we're still not welcome. So I think that's unfortunate.
We're still facing many problems where people have misunderstanding.
And there's still a lot of ignorance about what HIV and AIDS is and the difference between HIV and AIDS.
We're talking about a disease that is preventable and treatable, but it still carries a very bad and harsh stigma.
The AIDS Network provides not only getting them to medical services, but all the other social services and assistance that people need.
They have helped me in so many ways, financially, and they've given me support. They've been very, 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 very good to me.
You can get discouraged. You can run out of resources. This organization is a lifeline.
People that I work with have wonderful hearts, big warm hearts. They're just very dedicated, compassionate, and passionate about helping people. Williamsburg AIDS Network was founded back in about 1992 by a group of grassroots organizers who felt that there was a need for an HIV/AIDS agency, particularly to do client services for people that were HIV positive.
We had no name or anything at that time, but we had a desire to do something about it. More and more cases of positive HIVs were showing up, as well as AIDS itself, and there was little or no treatment, and there was denial.
It hasn't gone away. It's still here. We need to talk about it. We need to face the fact that we could be at risk.
We're a nonprofit organization aimed to help people who have HIV and AIDS live a better quality of life and to provide education to prevent the further spread of HIV and AIDS.
My job is to go in the community and talk to people about HIV and AIDS. Not only educate them about what the disease is, but also how to prevent the spread of the disease.
What we do affects the greater community in a lot of ways, in that if we have clients who are healthy and are able to work and contribute to society, they're not a burden on the healthcare system, they're able to pay their taxes and give something to their community. We can help people get transportation to medical appointments. We can help them with emergency housing assistance or emergency financial assistance if they need food, or help with a utility payment. There are AIDS drug assistance programs that can help people that otherwise would not be able to afford their HIV medications.
I was very bitter, very angry for many, many years. My mind has changed, my attitude has changed, my outlook has changed.
I'm able to value each day and have some smiles and some pleasure, even while I'm dealing with some tough circumstances.
I think that they're great people, and the work they do really does work to change lives.
The Williamsburg AIDS Network is absolutely crucial to the provision of care for HIV positive patients in this area.
They're committed, they're compassionate, and they're dedicated.
contributing money, contributing time, contributing understanding.
Call the AIDS Network, find out what the opportunities are to volunteer, to provide funding for them.
Anybody who has the power to help and reach out and provide us with funding, it does a greater service to the greater community.
Yeah, we make a difference, but we'd like to make a bigger difference. I'd like to see us make a bigger difference.